Hey guys, it's your boy Major. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can download your WhatsApp status with Xender, with the Xender app. So you don't need to download status saver. So this is the best way to download status on WhatsApp. So what you have to do, you have to click on Xender. When you click on it, you have to wait for it to open. Once it opens, you have to go to social. When you go to social, you have to tap connect. When you click on connect, it will automatically open WhatsApp. Once it opens WhatsApp, you have to view a status update. So once you view anyone, then you have to come back up to Xender. When you come back up, then you can see the image you viewed. So you can see these are my WhatsApp. These are my status I've viewed on WhatsApp. So yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a very big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends so that they can know how to download their WhatsApp status without a status saver. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Major out.